Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Let's begin. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a pan, without putting on the heat, place cornstarch, sugar, and stir until there are no lumps. Add about a quarter cup of milk and make a paste, stirring until it is smooth. Separate the eggs and add only the yolks into the pan. Stir until all is blended, then add the rest of the milk and mix. Cook on medium heat until it thickens, stirring regularly. When it starts to have foam on top, don't move away from the pan. Stir regularly. It's about to thicken. Once it starts to bubble, take it off the heat. It's ready. Add your vanilla extract or essence. Stir. Then your cold butter, stir until it disappears. Close the pastry cream with a cling wrap, making sure that it touches the surface of the cream to avoid it forming a skin, and set it aside. Let's get ready our baking pan. You may use any size, any shape. Grease it with butter, then sprinkle some sugar. Today we are using this delicious bread, brioche, and it's made with butter for extra texture and flavor. cut it into quarters. A very warm welcome to those who are new to this channel. Please subscribe and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. Place the bread pieces into the pan. I only used half of those rolls, so you don't need the full packet. Press them down because they will take all the space because they are fluffy. Stir the pastry cream, then fill the pan holes. Set the baking pan aside. Let's prepare a sherry substitute because the recipe calls for sherry and I did not have it. Mix water with white wine vinegar and or apple cider vinegar. I've used both vinegars. Then add powdered sugar or icing sugar and mix. Wash both your blueberries and strawberries, then trim the strawberries and cut them into halves or quarters. Place the fruit in a bowl, then pour the vinegar mixture or the sherry into them or into the bowl and mix. If your mixture is still a bit sour, you can add a little bit of powdered sugar, which is icing sugar, and you stir. Then fill the cups, the baking cups, with fruit and your sherry or the vinegar mixture. Do not overfill the cups. I did it, and when I was baking, it just splattered the whole place. So be advised. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes or until the fruit blisters. I had to wipe the pan. The sauce was all over it, but it was worth it because it's so delicious. Dust with icing sugar. Please press the like button and leave a comment below. Let me know your thoughts about this recipe. I hope you will enjoy this dessert. Thank you so much for your time. I hope to see you soon on my next upload. Bye bye.